Hello, boys and girls. Okay, so since we're going to be working on counting by twos, counting by fives, and counting by tens, and I'm not at school, so I don't have my 100 count board, I think we all need a 100 count board. So I'm going to show you how to make one. You're going to need a plain white piece of paper, just a regular white piece of paper. It could be construction paper or any other kind of paper. And then you're going to need to fold it so that the corner makes a point, because we're going to need it to be a square for our 100 count board. Now this part you can either cut it off, you can draw a little line down there and cut it off. Let me get a pencil. I don't have a pencil, just like school. All right, you can draw a little line. Let me show you. Draw a line down the edge, and then you can cut it off. So that you'll have a square piece of paper. Get my scissors, and I'll cut that part off. Okay, so it was a rectangle, and now it's a square. All right, the next thing you're going to need to do, and ask a grown-up for help with this if you need it, or your older brother or sister, or anybody who's good at folding, because you're going to need to fold it in half from top to bottom. Okay, so fold it in half from top to bottom, and then you're going to need to fold it in half from side to side. Like I said, I suggest you get help with this because it's a little hard. And it kind of needs to be done sort of precisely, because you want your 100 count board to be pretty accurate. All right, so your paper should look like this. Everybody got that? Now you're going to need something to make a straight line. I happen to have a ruler, but you can use the edge of a piece of paper. You can use the edge of the paper that you cut off. I'll show you how to do that. And you're going to need probably a black marker. So, or a black crayon maybe, but a black marker would probably be the best, a Sharpie. I'm going to get a piece of tape and tape this up. Put it right up here on my whiteboard. All right, then I'm going to take this straight edge, and where we folded right in the middle, I'm going to draw a straight line across the middle. I'm going to get my glasses on for this, because I can't see that. All right, we use the straight edge that we cut off, and we're going to make a straight line right across there. Oops. All right, I got a nice little straight edge there. Again, mom and dad want to help you with this, or your brothers or sisters. See, even mine's not that straight. All right, I have a straight edge going across. Then we're going to make straight lines across. We're going to need 10 sections. We're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 5. We're going to need to draw 5 lines. Okay. Put your pen right on there and make a nice straight line. You can use a pencil for this too if you want. Make it nice and straight if you can. If not, it's really okay. Three, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oops, 8, 9, 10. All right. All right, so you should have all those lines, and we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 sections. You're going to take your paper and you're going to turn it this way. We're going to do the exact same thing. Exact same thing that we did. We're going to start in the middle. We're going to draw our line across the middle, as neat as we can. Straight across the middle. And then we're going to do 5 lines down. 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, and then we're going to do 5 down here. 1, 2, 3. All right. So your paper should have a grid on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with 10 on this side and 10 on the other side. That's going to be your 10 count. And you're going to slowly and carefully, and again, if you want your mom and dad to help you, your brothers, your sisters, your aunts, your uncles, your grandmothers, your grandfathers, anybody can help you with this. You're going to carefully write the numbers in. Starting up here on the left, always start at the upper top left, you're going to put the number 1. And you're going to do 2, 3. You have to be able to write really small. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 1 to 10. The next line is going to be 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, are you starting to see the pattern? Then we're going to do from 21 to 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, have somebody help you and finish this. When you get all the way to the bottom, the number 100 should be in here. I'm not going to do all that right now because that would be a little boring for you. Once you have that done, let me see what I did with my, we're going to take a red marker, because we have to highlight the 5s and the 10s. So again, you can use a ruler or you can use that piece of paper, and we're going to go down the 5s column and we're going to draw a red line on either side. This is going to be a red line on either side. We're going to do red here and red here. All right, if you don't like red, you want to do a different color, that's fine. And I'm going to do it a little bit more, because you can't really see it. You can do a different color. If you want to do pink and purple, by all means do pink and purple. I just chose red because to me it's the brightest color. All right, so now we can see the 5s are going to be highlighted, and we're also going to highlight the 10s. This is the 10s column with all the numbers if you needed to count by 10s. Talked about that a little bit the other day when we did our penny counting. Okay, so take your time or have somebody help you and finish making your 100 count chart. I got to 30, then I'm going to do 31, 32, 33, 34. This is going to be the 5 column, so this is going to be 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And start with 41 and go all the way across. 41, 42, 43, 44. Again in that column, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and we're halfway there. All right, so get that all done because we're going to be using that. We're going to be learning to count by 2s, by 5s, by 10s. This will give you a good visual for how the number system works. All right, when you have that finished, take a picture of it and post it on our Google Classroom. Bye-bye.